So it's not a perfect world, right? We're not going to meet every goal. Sometimes perfect conditions can't be achieved. So, this is a valuable tool for becoming a solution rather than the bearer of bad news. A letter from a manufacturer is a very compelling piece of information used to achieve optimal conditions. Not perfect, but optimal, the best you can get in some situations. And I'm not saying that your position shouldn't be honored. However, supporting your position with the manufacturer's recommendations and additional documentations, maybe a support letter saying what happens when you do what he's suggesting you do, the expected outcome changes, and then you can compel them sometimes to take the necessary steps to give you a chance to succeed. So, big picture, get help when you can, and know who those resources are.